So in this video we will design layout of activity downloader settings. So instead of constant layout we will use linear layout and we will use orientation vertical and we will give it ID main container. In that open activity about and copy paste the first linear layout. So instead of about this app we will use downloader settings as string, and after that linear layout we'll add one more linear layout with the layout width match parent and height wrap content. We'll set its orientation to vertical. In that we will add one linear layout with layout width match parent and height wrap content. We'll set its orientation to vertical and we will give it ID download path LL. We'll set its background to card ripple effect light. We will make it clickable and focusable by setting clickable to true and focusable to true. In that linear layout we will add one text view with the layout width and height wrap content. We'll set its text to download path and we will extract string resource. We will set its text color to attribute primary text and we will use text appearance attribute text appearance button. We will not use attribute, we will directly use text appearance button over here and we will collapse its empty tag. Then just copy paste this text view one more time. We'll give it ID download location value and we'll remove text appearance and we'll change text color to secondary text. After that linear layout we will add one view with the layout width match parent and height 0.5 dp. We'll set its background attribute divider and progress color and we will collapse its empty tag. Thereafter we will add switch material with the layout width match parent and layout height wrap content. We'll give it ID auto resume switch downloader settings. We'll set its text auto resume upon network available and we'll extract string resource. We'll set its style to custom switch style and we'll rename its ID to TCH because there is typo and we will collapse its empty tag. Then after that switch we will add one divider view and after that divider view again we will add one linear layout. So just copy that tag one more time and copy the first text view and we will change its ID to simultaneous tasks LL and we'll change its text to simultaneous downloadable tasks and we will extract string resource. And in that linear layout we'll add one special view spinner. So spinner needs item row, we need to create that layout as well. So in layout file we'll create a new layout resource. We'll call it spinner item row downloader settings and we'll use this layout. We'll use linear layout. We'll make it clickable and focusable false with the layout width and height match parent and wrap content. We'll set its orientation to vertical And we will add one material text view with id value tv with width match parent height wrap content text 1, text appearance headline 6, text style bold, gravity center, padding up to LDP, clickable false and focusable false. And we will use that layout for our spinner. So we will add spinner with id simultaneous task spinner, layout width 0 dp and layout height wrap content, and layout weight 1 and layout gravity center, and we will remove its background by setting background to null. So we will use weight sum with this linear layout, and we will use weight sum 10, and for layout width of first text view we will specify 0 dp, and we will set its weight to 9, and we will set its weight to 1, so 9 plus 1 is 10, and we will add padding start and end of 12 dp to the parent linear layout, and we will set its orientation to horizontal, hence it is producing that error. So now as you can see that error is gone, and we will add layout gravity center vertical to this text view. For download path as well we will add padding of 12 dp. So in download path linear layout we will add padding of 12 dp. Then after this linear layout of spinner we will add divider view. So just copy divider view one more time. Then we will add the same linear layout type one more time. So copy linear layout tag of spinner simultaneous tasks ll one more time. In that we will add text view, and we will set its text to default segments for download task, and we will extract string resource. Then we will change its id to segments for download ll. After that text view we will add a slider with layout width 0 dp and layout weight 5. So for this text view we will use layout weight 4, for slider we will use layout weight 5, and we will set value from 0, step size 1.0 and value to 6. We will give it id segments for download slider. We will remove this new task pop-up. Then after that we will add another text view in that linear layout with the layout width 0 dp, weight 1, height wrap content, text 1, text style bold, text appearance headline 6, text color primary text, layout gravity center vertical, inner gravity center, clickable false and focusable false, because our outer linear layout is clickable and focusable. So just pause this video and add those views in your layout. Then after that linear layout we are done with layout of activity downloader settings, and instead of simultaneous downloadable tasks as text we will rename it to simultaneous tasks only, because we are in downloader settings. So right click, refactor, rename, and we will rename it to simultaneous tasks. So it will do that for all occurrences, and we will remove downloadable. And for auto resume upon network re-available we will refactor and rename to, we will just remove re and we will keep auto resume upon network available as string. So now we are ready with our layout. We will reference our downloader settings activity views in its Java file in the next video.